Hi and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to guide you how you can increase the speed of your mobile internet on Android. So let's start our video. First, you need to go to the settings on your Android smartphone. Then in the search bar, you need to write down access point name. Once you search it, this option will appear. You need to tap on it and then access point names one more time and then select the internet provider. Once you tap on it, you need to scroll down where you will find authentication type. All you need to do is to tap on it. This window will appear, and here, as you can see, there are multiple options: none, PAP, CHAP, PAP, or CHAP both. So you need to just switch between these and then go to a web browser and search for a website where you can check your internet speed. Suppose if you select PAP and then you check the speed on the web browser and it says that your internet speed has been increased. So that means that that option is good for your mobile. You can stick to that option. If not, then you can switch to another option and check it again whether the speed of the internet has increased or not. So if that works for you, then you need to switch to that particular option. So guys, if this works for you and you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.